Hi, I'm here today in Wise with our friends at Andritz, the manufacturing the Synchronous for the project EnergyConnect project. Behind me you can see the bottom half of one of the stators which will go into the Dinawan substation. There are two of these that are going into Buronga and two of them that are going into Dinawan. Andritz have already delivered the first two to Melbourne Port. They will be heading out to the Buronga substation shortly. What you can see here is 106 tonne of metal that will be sitting on the ground with a rotor in the middle of it. These are the devices that we use to stabilise the grid. They go into the system security that we released a couple of weeks ago, ended up replacing all of those thermal generators with spinning mass sitting in the network that helps us to continue to maintain that network stability and reliability. Our friends at Andritz tell me we're dead on track to meet our schedule, and I look forward to seeing these devices delivered into New South Wales.